Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It is May the 11th. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so I hope you got a chance to celebrate your mother, your grandmother, maybe an aunt. I went and celebrated my mom yesterday with some lunch, and I made her a t-shirt. And on Saturday, I got to see both of my grandmas. I went to, one of them lives on the lake, so I went and hung out with her for a while. And the other one is staying with a friend right now during all of this COVID stuff. So I got to hang out with her for a little bit too, which was a lot of fun. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started on our reading lesson today. We have changed our I Can statement. You have new lessons to do on I Ready, so make sure you get on and do those I Ready reading and I Ready math, just like you did last week. All right. Today's I Can statement is I can tell what information I learned from the pictures in a story. So this week we're talking all about figuring out what am I learning from just the pictures and what am I learning from just the words in the story. So sometimes a lot of times we talk about using the pictures to help us with the words. So maybe they're working together to give us some information. But today we are talking just about the pictures. I'm only looking at the pictures. What am I learning just based on those pictures? So, I have the story Our Earth, and we're going to look at it and just find some details of, about our Earth with the photographs. So I have to get a little bit closer to you today so you can see the pictures that I am looking at. And we're just kind of going to do a picture walkthrough today. So here we go. So we're going to be learning about our Earth. All right, so in these photographs we have some kids that are maybe digging in some dirt. We got a pile of dirt over here. So maybe we're going to be learning about some things that they find in dirt. Here's one detail that we learned. What shape is the Earth in? The Earth is round, all right? Because you can see that in that picture right there. We didn't have to read any words. We know that the Earth is round. So I'm going to put that as one of our details. The Earth is round, or it's a circle. I'm going to put slash circle. All right. Because we can tell that from that picture right there. All right, let's keep going. All right, so we've got some sunshine over here with some flowers. I'm not sure what's happening right here with the fingers. We might have to get into our text, but remember, we're only looking at pictures today. All right, and then this is from a different surface, possibly the moon. All right, and the Earth right there. All right, I don't know that I can write any details quite from that yet. All right, here we see a picture of the water, the ocean. All right, and over here we see some frozen water. Okay. Well, it looks like maybe, I guess, some snow, which would be frozen water, and then some water right there. Okay. All right, so in this picture, we see some rain falling on plants. We see a little girl drinking water. We see a goat drinking water. And we see a tiger drinking water. So from all of those things, can we pick a key detail out of that? Well, yeah, maybe that all living thing needs water. All things that are living need water, because we know that plants are living, and we know that the little girl, the goat, and the tiger are all living. So living things need water. So we've got 2 details so far, and I bet we're gonna find more details than just 3. But we have the earth is round or a circle. Living things need water. That's what we just determined on this picture. So here we go. We're gonna keep going through our picture walk. All right, so it looks like some kind of maybe like valley here with some water going around it. I think we're gonna need some more information from the words to know what's happening in that picture. So we didn't get a lot of information from that one picture. Here's another picture of some birds flying in the air. All right, we got nice pretty grass down here and some flowers. But again, I think we're gonna need some more information about that picture. We're just looking at the picture, remember. Okay, so here we see the earth and we see the sun, okay? Here we see, this is all the photographs. So even though these are words, that's still part of the photograph, all right? But it has all of these words. It says troposphere, stratosphere, ozone layer, mesosphere, thermosphere, all right? So I think we're still gonna need some more information on that text. All right, it does say layers of the atmosphere, but right now I'm not really sure what that means just based on the picture. So I think I'm gonna keep going because I think I need to read the text for that. All right, so here's our next photograph. Now, if I'm looking at this picture right here, this isn't the earth, and it's cut in half, and I see it's got 3 different layers. So that could be one of my details. It has 3 different layers. The earth, oh, I need to capitalize the E in earth, is a proper noun. Name of a place. Has 3 layers. Okay? All right, and then here's some picture of some rock. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so we see a volcano in this picture. Maybe it's erupting with some lava. All right, here's some like rock. I'm still not getting a lot of information. Maybe that a volcano erupts, but you could put that the volcano erupts, I suppose. But we don't really know what's happening or how volcanoes erupt, but we did learn in that picture that volcanoes erupt. All right, here's our next picture. We got a road. Looks like maybe a dam right there. And then here we have like a factory with some smoke coming out. All right, and this is our last picture. We see like a pterodactyl maybe and a bird. But I think we need some more text on those pictures as well. So the reason why we do that though is because a lot of times we will only learn information from the pictures, or you get a good idea of what is going to happen in the story based on the information that you get from the pictures. So we learned 3, maybe 4, even 5 things about the story just based on the pictures. We learned that the earth is round or it's a circle. We learned that living things need water. We saw pictures of the living things drinking water. And that the earth has 3 layers. We also kind of read about some like atmosphere, or we didn't read it, but we saw it. That could have been a detail. I said that we didn't really learn a whole lot because I don't really know what that means yet. I need to read the details on that, but at least we do know that there's some kind of something that goes between the air and space. And then we also said that maybe we could use the detail that volcanoes erupt, because we did see a picture of a volcano erupting. So tomorrow we are going to take our details that we learned in the just in the pictures, and then we are going to only read the words. We're not going to look at the pictures tomorrow at all. We're only going to read the words, and we are going to see if we can come up with some more details about our Earth that we learn in our story, all right? Don't forget today to get on iRead for 20 minutes, get on iReady Math for 15 minutes, get onto iReady Reading to do your reading assignment, and I will see you guys at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock for phonics today. Bye!